Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about digital signature. Digital signature is just like a pen signature that can be used to sign any electronic file. It is mainly used for signing any electronic file, that is PDF, Word file, and so many web applications like e-tendering, trademark application, company registration, income tax, and GST purposes. And there is so many applications also. If you want to apply digital signature online, you have to go to your browser and you have to type eurekainfotech.in. Then scroll down and you may find that there is two types of DSC, that is class 2 and class 3. Class 2 DSC can be used so many purposes except certain e-tendering purposes. And just click here, class 2. You have to select the quantity. Add to cart. After cutting it, click checkout. And you have to fill the form. Then click continue. And then make payment online. You may select offline payment also and complete your order. Okay. If you select offline payment, you have to pay NEFT and IMPS to the following bank account. After making payment, then go to again to the website. And you may fill paperless application and online or offline or online application. Click here online GST application form. Then you have to select subscriber. In case you are applying for encryption also, then you have to select combo. And if you select subscriber, then you may choose your user type, that is individual, organization, government or bank. In case for normal application, you may choose individual. Then you have to select class 2 or class 3 as per your application type. Select male or female. Type your name. Type your mail address and type your address. Type your PIN code. And you have to mention your Aadhaar number, or you may if you are unable to mention your Aadhaar number, then you have to select at least we have to provide at least 2 documents, that is your PAN card and then either Aadhaar or voter ID card. Enter your PAN number. And date of birth. Enter your mobile number. Enter the challenge code. Note, this is very important. Challenge code can be used to download the DSC. So we will prefer to enter the code as DSC123. Confirm the challenge code DSC123. You may choose as you like. Then enter the CAPTCHA. Click submit. Just verify all these things. Click continue. Then you have to print the form. The form will be downloaded, and you have to put your photo and signature. Note, the signature must be as same as your PAN card. And then you have to send the form to the following address as mentioned here. And if you have a webcam in your PC, you can click here to continue the recording also, or you may do this from your mobile also. After verifying your mobile verification and video verification, your DSC will be dispatched to your address within 5 days. You will receive it within 5 days. The processing is very fast, and you can, if you have a if your mobile number is linked with your Aadhaar, then you may choose it paperless DSC application from Eureka Infotech website, and you have to click the paperless application. Then you have to go to Aadhaar website, and you have to mention your Aadhaar number and mobile number if you want to apply paperless application. Then send the OTP, and you have to download the paperless offline KYC. After downloading the KYC, you can apply paperless application also. Just enroll and apply DSC. Then you have to enter your name, email ID and PAN number. And you have to enter the desired username, user PIN number, and upload the XML file that you are downloading from the offline other website, and XML share code also. Then you have to agree the terms and the conditions. Then you have to enter the CAPTCHA and verify KYC details. After filling the form, the DSC application form will be shown here, and you have to verify and e-sign and using your OTP and record your video. That's it. Your DSC will be processed on same day and you will receive it within 5 days to your address, including e-token. If any technical problems arise, you can call us anytime. Thank you.